Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be opening up a box of from Clark Toys. It's going to be a mystery box of 6 Funkos. I got the mystery box of 6 Funkos for $34.99. I also had ordered a Marvel Luchadores. It's a Wolverine. And I did get a mystery Funko Pop opener that I ordered also. It's just one pop, and like I said, the word mystery, it's a mystery. And then I also got Birdie the early bird from the McDonald's pop ad icon. So I do know those, but I do have the 6-piece mystery box. So here we are, getting ready to open it. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. So every once in a while I like to order from Clark Toys. Give me a little coupon here for 10% off. You have a code you can use at checkout. There you go. Uh-oh. I already see something damaged here. Mrs. Cratchit. Must be one of my my opener or my mystery. So I don't know. Let's see. Yep. This is messed up. Can't even close it. Oh, look at this. Yeah. So, I guess it's the Muppets Christmas Carol. And Miss Piggy as Mrs. Cratchit. So, we'll have to look into that. And you do have a chance of getting something damaged, but I didn't think it would be really that bad. But I guess that's what happens. Okay, this must be my, my Marvel Luchadores, the wrestler, and it's Wolverine. There's the different ones that they have. Alright, but this one came in good, so okay. Fine. We'll see Birdie, and then we can see what the mystery pops are. Here's Birdie. I like this. Been enjoying the pop ad icons. They've been really cool. So, alrighty. Here we go. Our first mystery. Ta-da, ta-da. Bane from Pop Heroes. Okay, I like this one. Alrighty. Let's see what the next one we have here. John Michael Basquiat, pop artist. Okay. Not familiar with him, but this is cool. I guess this might be type of art that he does. Alrighty. See what else we got. Jordan Peele. So from Pop Directors. Yeah, so this is cool. Alrighty. See what else we got here. Dom. I don't know who Dom from Space Jams. A New Legacy. So it's from Pop Movies. So looks like everything has been coming off fine. It was just that first one was damaged. And Spike Lee. So Pop Directors. Oh, so this is the first time getting directors. Love Hate. Got that on his. Okay. Oh, got one more. One more. Jabberwocky. I can never say this. Jabberwocky. Pop icons. Alrighty. So, don't forget to hit down below. Let me know what you thought about my mystery boxes. And don't forget to hit the like, to subscribe. And see you next time. Bye now.